Namaskar. Many of you are constantly looking for a new ways to improve your health and management. So today, let me introduce you to three extraordinary herbs that are full of benefits for the mind, body and soul. Different parts of these plants, leaves, seeds, bark and even twigs can be used to take care of different parts of your body. So today, let's see how versatile these herbs are and how they can become an essential tools on your wellness journey. Let's start with the first superb herb, that is amla. Amla is full of nutrients, especially vitamin C, but not only the fruits. Different parts of the plant can really protect your body. Studies have also shown that amla possesses antipyretic, analgesic, cardioprotective, gastroprotective, wound healing, anti-diarrheal, and neuroprotective properties. Now let's see the different uses of various parts of amla. First, the amla fruit is natural immunity booster. You can consume it raw. You can make a juice out of it or dry it and use it in a powdered form. It helps fight cold, improve digestion, and even boosts hair and skin health. Regular consumption of amla fruit even help you maintaining a youthful glow and premature graying of hair. Next comes amla leaves. Amla leaves helps the digestive issues and reduces inflammation in our body. Simply boil 1 cup of water and add a few amla leaves in it. Strain and drink to enjoy a powerful amla leaf drink. Third, we have amla seed oil that nourishes the scalp and strengthens the root and promotes hair growth. Then comes amla bark, which is often used in Ayurvedic preparations to treat wounds and ulcers because of its antibacterial properties. Amla is a true superfood touching every aspect of health, from immunity to beauty. It's no wonder this little fruit is commonly used in Ayurveda for different purposes. Now let's move to the second superb herb, and that's neem, which is known for a wide range of benefits. Neem acts as antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties, make it a powerful remedy for many problems. Let's start by looking at how neem leaves can help you. These leaves are commonly used for purifying the blood, boost immunity, and control acne. You can simply make a paste and apply it on your skin directly for clearer and healthier skin. And drinking neem leaf tea can help you detoxify your body and regulate blood sugar level. Next comes neem bark. Neem bark was used to treat fever and oral infection. It has anti-inflammatory property. You can even ground this bark into a powder to create a herbal toothpaste or mouthwash. If you are feeling feverish, simply boil 1 tablespoon of neem bark in water and drink it to soothe yourself. Then we have neem twigs. Neem twigs are nature's toothbrush. They have been used for centuries for oral hygiene. Chewing on a neem twig helps you clean your teeth, fight bacteria, and prevent gingivitis. Now, lastly, let's see the benefits of neem oil, which is extracted from neem seeds. Neem oil is a wonderful remedy for hair and skin. It can help treat dandruff, moisturize the scalp, conditions like psoriasis and eczema. That's how different parts of neems can help you improve your health and wellness. Finally, let's talk about another superb herb, and that is tulsi. Tulsi is even considered sacred, and its medicinal properties make it a true gift of nature. First, let's look at the benefits of tulsi leaves. Tulsi leaves fight cold, cough, and the respiratory issues. A simple tulsi tea with honey can soothe a sore throat and boost your immunity. They can act as a nerve tonic, soothes nerves, migraine, and relieves tension. They even act as a memory sharpener. That means Tulsi leaves can really enhance your memory. The extract of leaves taken with honey for 6 months can expel kidney stones. Tulsi also helps in managing menstrual cramps due to its anti-inflammatory property. Now let's look at Tulsi seeds. The seeds, also known as sabja seeds, are excellent for weight loss. Soak them in water and they swell up into a gel-like texture. Add this sabja into smoothies or lemon water or milk for a refreshing drink that aids digestion and keeps you full longer. The solution of tulsi plant seeds, taking this sabja leaves with milk or water, can be a very good antioxidant and helps you expel from mucus from your body. Then we have tulsi oil. The essential oil extracted from tulsi leaves is great for stress relief. Add a few drops to a diffuser to create a calming environment or apply directly on your forehead to relieve the headache. Next, we have tulsi roots. Tulsi roots traditionally is used for preparing medicine that can help treat fever and detoxify body. So you see, tulsi is not just a herb, it's a health miracle that can support your physical and mental well-being powerfully. From their leaves to the root, different parts of amla, neem and tulsi can be used to support your health, beauty and vitality. Imagine the power of using just one of these into your daily routine. You are giving your body the tools to heal, protect and thrive naturally. So start using these super herbs and get their incredible benefits. Remember, nature has provided us with everything we need to lead healthier and happier life. Namaskar.